Look, this dad gives his son a special pasta sauce, but when the boy asks for more, he refuses. Then he gives the sauce to the mom, but when she wants a bit more, he also says no. He pours the most sauce onto his own plate. Right then, the mom gets a brilliant idea. She dumps all the pasta into the jar and mixes it all together. The dad is shocked when he sees it. Then the mom secretly adds mint to the jar, but the dad doesn't notice. He grabs the jar from them, and something unexpected happens to him. But before I show you what happened,
Which restaurant are you picking for your mom? Long John Silver's, ignore this video. McDonald's, leave a like. Taco Bell, comment a heart. Chick-fil-A, share this video. Pizza Hut, subscribe. Starbucks, do all of them. But what is your mom's favorite?
his pasta got completely ruined.